Hello everyone. Hope that you all are getting well. So Shikha is once here again with the poem Keeping Quiet of 12th standard. In the previous video, we just have completed the initial stanzas of this poem. So in this video now we are going to read the upcoming stanzas, the rest of the ones. So here we begin. Here is a reminder about the poet of keeping quiet. Pablo Neruda is the poet of keeping quiet. Keeping quiet is a peace poem. Here in all the stanzas, poet urges to be quiet. Poet urges to maintain the peace on the earth. So in the coming stanzas, we will read the poet's clarification that he doesn't want that people should stand idle. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. The poet here warns us that his message of silence should not be confused with total inactivity or inertia. The poet feels all our problems exist because of the mad rush and din in our life. The poet here clarifies his perception. He says that his vision about silence should not be confused with total inactivity, lethargy, and idleness. He further clears that his message doesn't have any affinity with death, even. He wants active life, but it must be quiet. He wants us to stop a while and feel the calmness so that a positive introspection is done. In this stanza, poet makes us clear not to confuse stillness with total inactivity. Total inactivity means death, but the poet has no association with death. In that line you see, I have no truck with death. Truck here means association. So he has not any association with death. Stillness means stopping one's activity for a short moment. Life must go on as unusual. He says that the essence of life is activity, while inactivity is death. If we were not so single minded about keeping our lives moving and for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. In these lines, poet wants to clarify to the readers that all human beings work endlessly with the aim of completing their tasks. All are just rushing here and there to earn their livelihoods, to keep their lives moving. They are driven by the target of survival, actually, and the threat of death. And he urges on this statement that for once, if for a moment, for a while, we will be still, then it may be possible that calmness, that peaceful atmosphere, that pause for a while will make them aware about the appreciation of their achievements and their lives would become happier. The poet suggests that by keeping quiet, we will be able to understand the true purpose of our life. And in these lines, in these last lines, perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. So, in this whole stanza, from if to alive, he talks about the human beings being single minded. He talks about the human beings always being busy in accomplishing their personal responsibilities. He says that human beings never stop for a while to evaluate themselves and to understand themselves. If we could stop for a while, then we can understand the real purpose of our lives. Perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Now I'll count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I'll go. The poet suggests us to take a teaching from the nature, teaching from the earth. As the earth undergoes changes, in winter everything freezes, becomes lifeless, but after some time the season changes again and everything comes back to life. So, in conclusion of this poem, the poet taught us through the example of earth, which at one season may look as if dead but comes back with life in another season. Likewise, our life will also bear certain meaning when we walk on the right path, that means introspecting in silence. In the last two lines, the poet leaves us to introspect. Again, he is urging to count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I'll go. So, after taking a pause, after introspecting, he again urges to count up to 12 and walks out of the scene, keeping the scene open for all the people on the earth to experience this for times to come. He says this statement as if he himself has gone through the same. So, here you see poetic device, dead alive. In these lines, perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. So, whenever two contradictory words have been used here, so antithesis is here, antithesis poetic device has been used here. So, that's all about this poem. Hope that you all were getting very well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe our channel and I request you all to press the bell icon and do share and like this video. Thank you so much.